Hi, my name is Melissa, and one of the big trends for 2025 is the no makeup look. So today I'm gonna do a fluffy brow routine that really just emphasizes your natural brows. So let's get into it. So for 2025, fluffy brows are back in, and what that is a nice, fluffy, full, natural looking brow. And I'm gonna use Shades by Shan's Brow Duo. I'm gonna apply the brow gel first because you wanna apply it onto a clean brow. And that's gonna really give you that full natural looking brow. So I'm starting off just here in the front and kind of slowly, piece by piece, putting my brows up and kind of like going with the arch. And you can kind of move it around a little bit just to create a more natural, fluffy look. And this applicator is like super easy to use because it's small, so it really focuses on each brow hair. And then I'm just like, also like, cause I wanna make it like a really nice arch, I'm just gonna clean it up right here on the ends of the tails a little bit. Here's with the brow gel and here is without. So I'm using a clear brow gel because I don't want to deposit color just yet. I want them to look more natural and be more precise about the color. And that's why I love using this Shades by Shan because it has a clear brow gel. I'm not trying to deposit any color because I want to be precise about application. We're not trying to build the brow, but we're just trying to work with your natural brows. So now I'm gonna use the brow pencil. I use the shade Soft Black, and it kind of gives a nice slanted shape to it. I'm gonna use the corner mostly, just to kind of fill in the brows a little bit more naturally. I'm gonna start with right under my brow, just like make a little straight line so I know how to work with this. We're mimicking the actual brow hairs, so I'm just lightly filling all the sparse areas. And then if you feel like the lines are a little bit harsh, you're just gonna go in with a spoolie and kind of just feather it out, make it look a little bit more natural, and it will make all of it look a little bit more subtle too. And then you can go back in with the brow pencil and shape again, just lightly stroking and filling in all the little sparse areas. And then now I'm doing the next section. I'm gonna start off again, just lining the front and then filling in the areas slowly. And then I don't have any brow hairs really on the tail of my brows, so I'm just slightly filling in just a little bit to extend it, and then filling in any missing brow hairs that I see, and then going in with the spoolie, making it look a little bit more natural. Just wanna go along with what your brows naturally look like in the brow shape. I love that this comes in a duo. It just makes it really easy to work with and really easy to travel with. I love that there's a clear brow gel because I always love to work with clear brow gels, and I love the really thin applicator that it gives. It just makes it more precise to work with your brows. And then as far as the pencil, the pigment is really, really great. You can easily work with this and you can kind of like shadow if you want or make it nice and natural like I like to. So it just works really well. So this is the final brow look. It's really simple and easy to do and also gives a really nice no makeup look. I can see why it's going to be a trend for 2025. So comment below if you'll be trying this trend, and also don't forget to like and subscribe IPSY's channel for more tutorials like this. Bye!